Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create or wrap your Genkit functions in a REST API with NodeJS and Gemini. So let's get started. So we won't be using Express.js or anything as such. Like, I think Genkit internally uses Express.js, so you don't have to install Express.js separately. So yeah, let's get started. So first I'll just create one folder. You can name it whatever you feel like. I'm just naming it as first. I'll open this inside VS Code. Then I will just cd to that particular folder over here inside my terminal. Okay, I'll clear everything out. Then I'll just create a package.json file by running npm init-y. Then we need to install few dependencies. Also make sure you are using Node.js version 20 plus. Then here we can just copy this command and paste it over here. Once that is done, you need to create an API key. So just open this URL in a new tab. I already have it open. Then here you just need to click on create API key. So it is creating it for me. Let's just wait a second. So here you can see it has created the API key for me. I'll just copy this. I'll use it later on. Next, okay, we need to first create an index.ts file because I want to use TypeScript. Then I'll just copy this entire thing and I'll paste it over here. Now here we need to pass our API key. So I'll just add this. And here you can see, now typically you should store your API key inside environment variable, but given that this is just a sample project, I can just directly hard code it inside my code. So I'll just copy this API key and I'll paste it over here. Okay, then we will just remove this. So this is our main function. So I'll come back. Okay, I'll come back to this in a bit. Next, go over here to this particular documentation, and it tells us how to create a REST APIs for our Genkit function, like whatever Genkit functionality you have. So first you need to install another dependencies called Genkit-ai/express. So I can just do npm install like this. Okay, then I will import this Genkit AI express as well over here to a command V. So we have already created this. Then here you can see we are just defining a flow. So I can just copy this, okay, and I can paste it over here, command V. Now we need to install this Z as well. So I can just import it from like Genkit. So this basically is from Zod. So if you see over here, this name can be anything. It is a function name. This name can be anything as well. This is basically your input or question. So just to make it easy, I just name it as question. Okay, and this is your answer. So I'll name it as answer. Okay, so here is our input. So here we can, now here they have made a mistake. This should not be double quotes, this should be that backticks. Okay, so I can use something like this, backticks. And here we have named the input as question, so here it should be question as well. And I think this should be also question. Why is this? So it should be, sorry, I got it. Yeah, sorry, this should be input. Okay, so here it should be input and input dot question. Sorry about that. Now I don't want this say hello to, so if I want I can just remove this, and given that we don't have any hard-coded string, we can remove this backticks as well. Okay, and we can remove this as well. So this is the question and this is the output. So for output here, sorry, I'll just do command I'll copy this, and here it should be answer, something like this. So error is gone. Now how to use it? So I think we don't require the main function. We can directly copy it like this and we can paste it like this. Now I want to show you guys few things. So here you can see there are some optional parameters as well. You can set the port number to the start flow server as well. I'm not specifying it, so it will default to 3400. There is this CORS thing as well. If you want to like enable CORS, you can do this as well. There is path prefix as well and JSON parser options as well. So I'm not going into that, it will become unnecessary to complicated. Okay, then given that we are using TypeScript, we need to do npm install TypeScript as well. Okay. Then the other thing which we need to do change is we need to copy this particular part. Okay, then go to package.json, add a comma over here and paste this. So basically we need to like compile our code first inside the slip folder. Right now I think they have missed few things, so we need to create this tsconfig.json file as well. And to create that tsconfig.json file, I think we need to run something like this: npx tsc -- init. So I think it will create, yeah, it has created this tsconfig.json file. Now inside this we have to uncomment, we have to search for something called output, I guess, outdir. So I will just uncomment this, because if you see inside package.json we are telling it to compile it to this lib folder, right? So that's why we have to do this, uncomment this, and here we have to do /pass lib over here. So whatever you have named it inside package.json over here, you will have to do the same thing over here as well. Okay, so once that is done, we just need to run npm run build. So let's just wait. So it has created, so here you can see it automatically created the lib folder with our index.js file. And now we can, I think, directly run npm run start. So it has started the server for us. Now we just go to Postman. Here you can see, so I'm listening on 3400, and what was our function name? Hello flow, right? Over here, that's why I'm using /hello flow over here. Then inside body you can just pass data, and this is the question, right? That's why this data will be common for everyone. This is the question, and here you can pass whatever you feel like. So I'm just asking is who is actress Lake Bell. So I can just click on send, and hopefully it should give me the answer. Let's see. So here you can see Lake Bell is an American actress, and here you can see it is using the answer key which we gave it over here. Okay, or if you want to ask who is I don't know who won WTC final, so it is just a World Test Championship in cricket. Let's see, but I have not specified the year. So it says Australia won the 2023 World Test Championship final, defeating India. Yeah. So but yesterday I think South Africa won against Australia, the 2025th one. But yeah, hopefully you got the point. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.